me for a bird with no respect or grace. Let someone unworthy take my place. We had no issues, just outside lies, but he walked away fooled by her disguise. Ooh, 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 ooh. He left me for a burden on his soul. Not in love with her, just playing a role. He thought he'd find better, but now it's clear the grass wasn't greener, just sorrow and fear. He left me for a bird that chirps in his ear, a woman who argues, driven by fear. She picks through trash like vultures do. No values, no morals, just passing through. Ooh, 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 ooh. He left me for a bird that chirps in his ear, a woman who argues, driven by fear. She picks through trash like vultures do. No values, no morals, just passing through. Discernment, you couldn't walk away. Now you're stuck with your bird in the light of day. She's a fleeting fling, a hollow thing, but you left me for a bird, so spread your wings. Ooh, 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 ooh. He left me for a burden on his soul. Not in love with her, just playing a role. He thought he'd find better, but now it's clear the grass wasn't greener, just sorrow and fear. He left me for a bird, now go fly away with your birthday in the cold light of